Hi guys. Welcome to Science Info District. Let's see. USA Anti-Drone Technology. Anti-drone technology has become increasingly important in the United States in recent years as the use of drones has become more widespread. The proliferation of drones has led to concerns about safety, privacy, and security, prompting the development of a range of anti-drone technologies. The various types of anti-drone technologies that are currently available in the United States and deployed are 1. Radio frequency, RF, jamming. RF jamming is one of the most common anti-drone technologies in the United States. RF jamming works by sending a signal that overwhelms the drone's communication system, causing it to lose control and crash or land. This technology is effective against most drones that rely on a radio signal to operate. RF jamming can be deployed either as a standalone system or integrated into other anti-drone solutions such as radar and cameras. U.S. Special Operations Command operates hundreds of small tactical drones, from palm-sized helicopters to quadcopters to large fixed-wing drones, and uses them extensively for not only intelligence gathering but also for jamming other drone signals. One example of it is Hornet. In addition to the U.S. forces also use jamming guns like Drone Defender, Drone Buster, and other anti-drone riffles. US forces also use ATV-mounted and portable jammers like USS Boxer to jam drone signals. One example of it, the U.S. Marine Corps used a portable jammer system to jam an Iranian unmanned aerial vehicle, forcing it to pitch into the sea. The Light Marine Air Defense Integrated System, LMADIS, jams the signal between drones and their operators, leaving them at the mercy of physics, and inevitably, gravity. In addition to these, U.S. has made signal jamming guns like Drone Gun Tactical and many others. 2. Laser-based systems. Laser-based systems are a more advanced type of anti-drone technology that can neutralize drones by destroying their internal electronics or propulsion systems. These systems work by firing a laser at the drone, which causes it to overheat and malfunction. Laser-based systems are effective against a wide range of drones and can be used in a variety of settings such as airports, military bases, and stadiums. There are no of laser being used by U.S. military like Odin, Helios, Raytheon, and Lockheed Martin. Odin, the U.S. Navy installed the first optical dazzling interdictor, Navy Odin, a laser weapon system that allows a ship to counter unmanned aerial systems. Odin, like LAWS, could lead to the development of other laser weapon systems. Helios is a multi-mission laser weapon system and all of its missions, evolving over time as the Navy conducts at-sea operations. Raytheon Intelligence and Space's high-energy laser systems use photons, or particles of light, to carry out military missions and civil defense. Lockheed Martin Laser at sea. In the air and on the ground, Lockheed Martin is developing laser weapon systems to protect warfighters on the battlefield. Combined with expert platform integration, these systems are designed to defeat a growing range of threats to military forces and infrastructure. 3. Cybersecurity measures. Cybersecurity measures are becoming increasingly important in the fight against drones. Drones can be hacked and used for malicious purposes, so it is essential to have robust cybersecurity measures in place to protect against this threat. These measures include firewalls, intrusion detection systems, encryption, GPS spoofing, downlink intercept, and data exploitation. GPS spoofing technology involves creating false GPS signals to trick a drone into thinking it is in a different location, causing it to crash or become uncontrollable. This GPS spoofing can be done using different apps and programs. This is also called drone hacking. 4. Net guns. Net-based systems are another type of anti-drone technology that involves using a net to capture drones. This technology is particularly useful when the drone is flying low and is not too fast. U.S. has developed several net-based systems for anti-drone purposes, such as the Skywall 100, which uses a net to capture drones at a range of up to several kilometers. U.S. has developed a range of anti-drone technologies to counter the growing threat posed by drones. These technologies include radio frequency jamming, laser weapon systems, electronic warfare, small arms fire, and net-based systems. U.S. has deployed most of these systems in Ukraine against Russia. Ukraine's improved war tactics is proving efficiency of such systems. What do you think, which country has best anti-drone technology? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press bell icon for more interesting videos.